degrees. And when you're out here driving in the Midwest, you have to have a plan. I know we all have anxiety, and I do too, like this semi-truck coming over. You always need to have an exit plan. Keep room around you. How do you think that person feels with the Tesla? I know they have range anxiety, but you need to quit being effing scared to get out here, because once you learn how to drive, money will start coming to you. Not money falling out of the sky, but job opportunities. Being able to transport people, being able to go to different events to give you opportunities for exposure. Example, I'm going to an anxiety convention to help young people and adults overcome anxiety, but I need to have a plan. I need to listen to what they're saying. I need to apply these examples and help my clients. I'm always trying to improve, and when you try to improve, good things will happen. For instance, the weather is really cold. I have the proper pants on. I have a jacket. I have boots. I have a hat. And if the car does break down, I'm okay to walk for several miles to get help. You got to start preparing for your opportunity, because if you don't prepare, the opportunity will come and then it will go. Life is very short, and if you don't live it to the best of your ability, you're going to be really sad when you get older. You're going to say, man, I wish I would have did this. I wish I would have did that. These videos will help you overcome your fear of anxiety, your fear of driving, and give you a plan. Like this car driving, I saw them way back. They're going to set everyone up for failure because they're in a hurry. You want to go at a speed that is safe for your vehicle and safe for the conditions. Being late doesn't give you a right to drive crazy and erratic. You've seen a lot of these videos when I talk about driving in the morning, the rush hour challenge. You want to be smooth, you want to be safe, because we're on a public road. We're not on some drag strip or private land where you can clown around, and if you flip your tractor, that's you. If you have an accident, there will be lawsuits. People will be held liable. And these cars have software that spy on how fast you're driving, your location, and whether you're on the throttle really hard, how many braking events. A lot of you fail to understand this. And I take my personal pride to help people learn how to drive, because it's for the common good. Why else are you doing this in life? Why else am I making these videos except to help the public? And when your heart's pure, you're going to be successful. And we're all about success and living our best life.